Before assembly, please check if any items are missing. The large protective cover has 3 holes. Selecting different holes will result in different grass cutting heights. Loosen the nuts. Choose the height at which you want to trim the grass. Then install the wheels in the corresponding holes. Please tighten the nuts just like in the video. Check if the wheels can rotate. Install the other wheel in the same way. If the wheels are too tight, you can also loosen them a bit. Find this wrench. Then loosen this screw. Set aside these parts. Then find the other tool. Use this tool to unscrew this screw. Put these 2 parts together. Please make sure the holes are aligned. Then screw back the previously removed screw. First, install this part. Then pick up the blade you need to install. This blade has 2 sides. That's the wrong installation. This is the correct installation. Install this metal piece before screwing in the screw. Then tighten the screw. Be careful not to get injured by the blade during installation. Loosen the screws on the handle, then detach it. Be careful not to lose the nuts. Press down on the handle in the appropriate position like this. Then install the nuts. After that, screw the screws back in. Pushing the button in the direction of the arrow. You can adjust the length. Find the protective frame. Find this hole on the lawnmower. Then install the protective frame into it. You can adjust the angle by pressing this button. There are 3 angles you can adjust. Install the battery like this. Ensure the battery is installed correctly. The machine cannot be started without pressing the lock button. You need to press both the lock button and the switch simultaneously to start the lawnmower. Before replacing the blade, please remove the battery to prevent the machine from accidentally starting. Use this wrench to remove the nut. Set aside the nut and metal piece, then remove the blade. Install the other type of blade. Then install these parts just like in the video. Tighten the nut. Next, I'll replace the other type of blade. Before changing the blade, remember to remove the battery. The rest of the installation steps are the same as before. Before replacing the small protection guard, you need to remove the blade. Loosen the nut. Then remove the blade and set it aside. Remove this part. Use this tool to remove the screw. Remove the big protection guard. Then install the small protection guard. Ensure the holes are aligned. Tighten the screw. Install the remaining parts and the blade, then tighten the nut.